Namaste children. In today's video, let us do revision for PA4 and the portion for PA4 is Chapter 7 more about addition and subtraction, Chapter 8 multiplication by repeated addition, Chapter 9 measurement, Chapter 11 time and calendar, Chapter 12 money. So, let's begin with Chapter 7 more about addition and subtraction. Children, you already know how to do addition with one digit number. Now let us practice adding two digit numbers. For example, add 36 and 50. How we are going to write? Before doing addition, let us write 36 in tens and ones. So 3 tens and 6 ones. Right. Tell me about 50. 5 tens. How many ones? 0 ones. Right. How we are going to add? Before we add these two numbers, let us place like this. Tens and ones like this. We have to write 36. 3 tens and 3 under tens. 6 1, 6 under ones. 5 tens, 5 under tens. 0 ones, 0 under ones. Now, what we are doing? We are adding. So, the sign of addition is plus. Right. Now, let us add the numbers which are under ones. 6 plus 0 is 6. Now, let us add the numbers which are under tens. 3 plus 5 is 8. So, the sum is 86. Children, you know how to do subtraction for one digit number. Now, let us practice to do subtractions for two digit numbers. For example, subtract 56 from 78. We are subtracting 56 from 78. Before we do subtractions, let us write 56 and 78 in tens and ones. 56. 5 tens and 6 ones. Right, 78. 7 tens and 8 ones. Now we are going to arrange these numbers under tens and ones. So we are subtracting 56 from 78. So we are going to write 78 first. So 7 tens, 8 ones. 56, 5 tens. See, tens. Under tens I am writing 5. 6 ones. Under ones column I am writing 6. So, subtract 56 from 78. We are subtracting 56 from 78. Sign of subtraction is this, right? Now, so first we are going to subtract the numbers which are under ones column. 8 minus 6 is 2. Now, we are subtracting the numbers which are under tens column. 7 minus 5 is 2. So, the difference is 22. Now, let us revise some questions. Sign of addition is plus, right? Sign of subtraction is minus. In 56, 5 tens and dash ones. Here 5 tens and 6 ones. In 74, dash tens and dash ones. Now by seeing this number, you have to tell which number is in ones place and which number is in tens place. 7 tens and 4 ones. Now let us revise Chapter 8 Multiplication by Repeated Addition. sign of multiplication is, children, what is multiplication? Multiplication is a repeated addition of same number. For example, I am repeating number 3 4 times. That is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Here I am adding number 3 many times. It means I am adding number 3 repeatedly again and again. Now how we are going to write this using multiplication sign? We are writing it as 4 times 3 or 4 times 3. Why we are writing 4? Because this number is repeating 4 times here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. Which number is repeating? 3 is repeating. So we are writing it as 4 times 3. Now I am repeating number 5 3 times. That is 5 plus 5 plus 5. Now how we are writing this 5 using multiplication sign? See here. 5 plus 5 plus 5. How many times this 5 is repeating? 3 times. Into, this is sign of multiplication, right? Which number is repeating? 5 is repeating. Or we can write it as 3 times 5. And this 3 times 5 can also be written as 3 into 5. We can write it like this also. Now, what is 3 times 5? 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. Right? 3 times 5 is 15. So, here in any multiplication, these numbers are called as factors. And answer is called as product. Now, can you tell what are factors and product in this question? 2 times 4 is equal to 8. Now, tell me what are factors here? 2 and 4 are factors and 8 is product. Now, let us revise some questions. Multiplication is a repeated dash of same number. Multiplication is a repeated addition of same number. Here 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 is dash times 8. How many times 8 is repeating here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 8. In 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Factors are, see here, now you have to tell what are factors in this multiplication. 2 and 3 are factors and the product is 1, 6. Sign of multiplication is, right, 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to dash times 5. Dash times 5. How many times this 5 is repeating? Let us count. 1, 2, 3. 3 times 5. Now, let us revise chapter 9, measurement. Length. If two persons measure the length of an object by using the same thing, they get the same answer. For example, I want to measure the length of this pen using these pins. I have arranged these pins to the length of this pen. So let us count how many pins are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the length of this pen is equal to 7 pins. If you also measure the length of this pen using these pins, you will get the same measurement. Hand span, palm, digit, cubit, pace, foot span, arm span, are the non-standard units of length. If two persons measure the length of an object using body parts, they get different answers. For example, children, using my palms, I want to find the length of this textbook. 1 palm, 2 palm, 3 palms and 4 palms. So the length of this textbook is 4 palms. Your hands are very small. If you count the length of your maths textbook using your hand palms, the measurement will be different. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the length of your mathematics textbook using your palms is equal to 5 palms. Weight. Children, we can measure weight by comparing two objects. For example, see here, this is a pen and this is a paper. Now, can you tell which one is heavier, pen or paper? Pen is heavier and paper is light-weighted, right? Now, again let us compare this paper with a book. Now, can you tell which one is heavier? Yes, this textbook is heavier than this paper. It means heavier object has more weight. So, by comparing two objects, we can find out the weight of any object. Capacity. Children, capacity of a vessel tells how much it contains. For example, capacity of this glass full of water is equal to capacity of 3 small cups. It means this glass can hold capacity of water which is equal to capacity of these 3 cups. Now, let us revise chapter 11, Time and Calendar. There are 7 days in a week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. There are 12 months in a year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. This is a clock. It has 2 hands like us. The long hand is the minute hand and the short hand is the hour hand. They both move round and round. In the given clock, the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 3. So the time shows in the clock is 3 o'clock. In the given clock, the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 5. So the time shows in the clock is 5 o'clock. When the both hands, minute hand and hour hand, are on 12, then the time is 12 o'clock. Now, let us revise some question. January is the dash month of the year. January is the first month of the year. Second question. Today, the date is 12th. Tomorrow, it will be after 12th, 13th. And yesterday, it was before 12. Which number will come? 11. So, yesterday it was, the date was 11th. Third question. July has how many days? July has 31 days. Fourth question. Draw both hands in given clock to show the time 7. So, we have to draw the minute hand and hour hand to show the time 7 o'clock. So, first, minute hand, which is a long hand, should be always on 12. And the short hand, hour hand, should be on 7. Okay, now it is 7 o'clock. Fifth question. The dash hand is the minute hand. The dash hand is the minute hand. The big hand is the minute hand. Right. Now, sixth question. The short hand is the dash hand. Short hand is our hand. Now, let us revise chapter 12, Money. Children, we already know money is used in the form of coins and notes. And the symbol of rupee is this. We are going to write it as like this. Let us practice one more time. This is the sign of rupee. This is the sign of rupee. Now, let us practice some additions here. Rupees 5 plus rupees 10 is how much? 10 plus 5 is 15. Rupees 15. You should never forget to write this symbol before the number. Rupees 10 plus rupees 10 is how much? 210 rupees. Yes, rupees 20. 20 rupees. Rupees 1 plus rupees 15 plus rupees 20 is how much? 1 plus 15 is 16. 16 plus 20 is 36. And the sign of rupee is this one. We should always write it before number. Okay. Rupees 22 plus rupees 10. 22 plus 10 is 32. Sign should be before the number. Next one. Rupees 25 plus rupees 25. How much? 25 plus 25 is 50. Sign should be before the number. That is rupees 50.
All the best for your PA4 exam.